I decided to change the design of my phone case, and I'm gonna use these stickers and a piece of bleh. I decided to make a new design for my phone case. My phone case is like a gel material and it's a bit transparent, so I should be able to see things through it when I put it inside the case between my phone. I'm using notebook paper. I cut it into the shape of my phone. I already did the holes and stuff. And I'm going to use these stickers. And I already used this box cutter thingy. And I used scissors a bit and this pencil. So I'm going to show you the final product before my battery is out of power. So this is what I came up with. It's very simple. I only used like 5 stickers. So I used a ribbon thingy and this guitar and a couple of these notes. And this is what it looks like when it's in the case. There. With no pressure, except the phone is in it. You can see all the textures and designs, and I'm impressed with with the execution of it. Anyway, I'll give you one more shot to see what it looks like when my phone is in it. This is the front of my phone. Turning it over, and there's the back of the phone. Paper's a bit, let me fix that. This is the front of my phone. Turn it around. And this is the back. There's the ribbon of music and the guitar and the music notes. And you can see it through this gel case. That is all.